Welcome to another exciting Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Today we are diving into the world of 3D line waves. Stick around and you will be mastering this in no time. So let's jump right in. First thing first, let's set up our workspace. Grab a document with any size that works for you. But for this tutorial, we'll be using a 60:9 ratio. Our first step is to create a captivating gradient color for our background. We'll name this layer background and lock it to keep it safe while we work on the rest of the design. Next, we're going to create our line wave. For this, we'll need a new layer which will apply name line wave. This way, we can focus on our wave without any distraction for the background layer. Now let's get down to business. We'll start by creating a straight horizontal line using the line segment tool. To replicate this line, we'll use the transform effect. Navigate to the effect menu, distort and transform, Just the vertical move to 15 pixels, and increase the copies until the line fills the artboard. For us, that's about 72 copies. Next, we're going to give our line some depth and perspective. Just the distance between the lines at the top to be tighter than at the bottom, giving it a perspective look. To achieve this, we'll use the FOP Mesh. Go to the Object menu, Envelope Distort, Make with Mesh. Start with one row and one column. Use the Direct Selection tool to select one of the top anchor points. Find its handle and pull it up until the distance between the lines look tight. Repeat this on the other side. Now add some vertical variation with the selection tool. After that, it's time to add the second envelope mesh. Go to the Object menu, Envelope Distort, and Reset with Mesh. You can choose the values for the rows and columns based on the intensity of the wave you want to create. Finally, use the Direct Selection tool to select an anchor point and adjust its position to form a wave pattern. Feel free to play around with the anchor points and handles to create dynamic wave effect. And you've created a 3D line wave. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep experimenting with different waves. That's all for this tutorial. Stay tuned for more exciting Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Until next time, keep designing.